What roles should children play in the family?
Naturally, children should always recognize the fact that now there were millions of souls in the spiritual realms waiting for opportunity to be given or present for them to reincarnate in this world. But it's because of the love that once shared between man and woman that necessitated the why they see that opportunity as a spirit jams to reincarnate as unborn babies. Before you know it, they were born. So children should always remember that men has a big role to play in giving them opportunity to be here on earth. If not, that opportunity was presented, they will not be here. And I can tell you without missing word that millions of souls are there begging for opportunity to be presented and given to them to be here on earth. Because in the spiritual realm, you are like a jam. You don't even know that you're unconscious. You don't even know you are existed. If I ask you where you in the last 500 years, do you know? You don't even know. Because you're unconscious. So you should give thanks to parents, the fathers that made it possible for them to be here. Then again is that one thing people should know that even the Ten Commandments, it's only the fourth commandment that has clause that you should respect your parents so that your days will be long, that you will have the blessings. So it's only that to show you the importance of that father, the father figure, because this is only a opportunity to end on one. So you should remain submissive and obedient to your father, so that you will have all the blessings and their days will be long. Thank you.